DuPont analysis takes into account two factors as far as the profitability or the ROI of the business is concerned. So, what are the two factors in computation of ROI of a business? The first factor is the profitability, or in other words, you can say margins. That is first factor, and the second factor is efficiency. So, according to DuPont, ROI of a company will depend on the margins, that is profitability, and efficiency with which these assets are used. So, how do you calculate the profitability? You calculate the profitability, PBIT, operating profit, PBIT, divided by sales, and this is your uh, margin ratio, or this is your profitability of the business. So जब आप PBIT को सेल्स से डिवाइड करते हैं, you come to know as to what is the profitability of the business. And the second factor is efficiency. And how do you compute the efficiency? I am sure आपको याद होगा, थोड़ी देर पहले हमने डिस्कस किया है एफिशिएंसी हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, सेल्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल एसेट्स, सेल्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल एसेट्स. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब यह है कि रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज फंक्शन ऑफ प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड इट इज फंक्शन ऑफ एफिशिएंसी. सो अगर हमको किसी बिजनेस का रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाना है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को फोकस करना पड़ेगा और एफिशिएंसी को फोकस करना पड़ेगा. सो जितना हम एफिशिएंसी को बढ़ाएंगे हमारा आरओआई ऑटोमेटिकली उतना बढ़ जाएगा. तो अगर हम इसको थोड़ा सॉल्व करें तो आरओआई सेल्स से यहाँ का सेल्स, यहाँ से सेल्स से चला गया तो क्या बचा? PBIT divided by TA. TA is what? TA is nothing but your investment. Yesterday we discussed investment. So this is your DuPont analysis. DuPont analysis tells as to how the what are the factors that determine return on investment of a business, and the factors that determine return on the investment of the business is, one is profitability, and that is margins, and number two, efficiency with which the assets are used. So this is your DuPont analysis. What is the outcome? What is the message? What is the lesson? The lesson is कि अगर किसी कंपनी को ROI improve करना है तो the company can do either of the two things: work on the profitability or work on the efficiency. Ideally, of course, work on both of them. But in case for a company profitability is a challenge, the company can improve ROI by improving the efficiency. If efficiency is a challenge, company can still improve the ROI by working on the profitability. Ideally, of course, as I said earlier, a company should work on both of them, because ultimately objective of the company should be to achieve maximum profit. Now, what is the return on equity analysis? So, return on equity analysis का मतलब क्या है? Return on equity analysis का मतलब है कि ROE, return on equity, is the function of what? Is the function of profitability, and it is the function of efficiency, and it is the function of leverage also. And how is that? It is like uh, PBIT divided by sales, that is your profitability, and sales divided by total assets, that is your efficiency, and total assets divided by equity, that is your leverage. हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि how to calculate the leverage ratio. We discussed that to calculate the leverage ratio, what we need to do, we need to take the equity in the numerator and total assets in the denominator. But please remember, this ratio can of course also be calculated taking the total assets in the numerator and total assets in the denominator. Only thing is, in that case we will have to interpret it differently. Otherwise the leverage ratio, as we discussed, can be calculated in both ways. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? I am sure you must be quite clear about it. You must be quite clear about it as to this is the profitability.
Yes,
and this is the efficiency, and this is the leverage, and this is your return on equity. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर किसी कंपनी को अपना रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी इंप्रूव करना है, तो व्हाट दिस कंपनी शुड डू? This company should work on the improving profitability, it should work on improving the efficiency, and it should optimize the use of leverage. Optimize the use of leverage. So meaning what? Meaning if a company is not able to optimize the leverage, it can still improve the return on equity. And how it can still improve the return on equity? It can still improve the return on equity of the company by improving the margins or the profitability, or by improving the efficiency. If the company cannot improve the efficiency, cannot improve the leverage, company can still improve the return on equity by focusing on the margins or on the profitability. And of course this discussion can be taken further by considering different factors. So this, friends, is your return on equity analysis, DuPont analysis, and also a return on equity analysis. And I'm sure you would have gathered as to how DuPont analysis can be used for improving return on investment, and how return on equity analysis can be used for improving return on equity of a business.